Siyempre yung mga performers muna sa laban. Mamaya natin sa laban sa laban at the end, before the end of the show. And for the information of everybody, we would like also to acknowledge the bronze medalist of Baile sa Kalye. Yun, ang SMNHS dance group na ginanap noon sa FFNED. Yes, na kung saan tayo ay naging third. Baile sa Kalye. So, palakpakan natin na ang ating mga dance group. So, kala nyo sa dance course na folk dance din po kami kumakana.
And now, ito na sir, ang SMNHS Senior Brass Band.
Ayan, to perform Guantanamera, Sweet Caroline,
and Taylor Swift medley.
And of course, yung closing remarks. Ay, hindi pala. Ano pala yun? Kay Sir Joel. Akala ko pe-perform na yung closing remarks.
Meron bang nang closing remarks?
Siyempre, habang inaayos yan, sir, no? Ang kanilang performers. Also, this time, we would like to thank the TWG of this recital, this annual recital, of the special program in the arts, the TWG, headed by Sir Roniel Pascual, Sir Abel Alamado,
mga female teachers,
yes, Sir Alfred Cruz, sino pa?
Sir Richard,
Sir Richard, ako wala ko
para sa stage decor. And also sir, we would like to give thanks to Sir Rafael Rubio for the support, especially for the Biyak na Bato Band, for the instruments, for the pagpapayaran po sa atin ng mga instruments.
Thank you very much, Sir Rafael Rubio.
Thank you, Sir Rafael
Former boss ng MAPE, ngayon ay PSDS na.
Last na yan.
Why?
Ayan. May import na sila dyan, no? Oo.
May mga ganito kung nagkasapila pa sila.
Hey, once again, the SMNHS Senior